You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals 31. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all in terms on the left side of the equation. Add 133 into both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 49 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the n into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is n equals 31.